Today my video is toggle the LED state using push button, and I explain for you how to work this code, and step by step I explain. Let's go to the our video. Firstly, I create three variable, and you can see current button state and previous button state, also LED state. After in void setup, you can see pin mode define, and I defined 7 pin for push button and 8 pin for our LED, and you can see this step. This is step for push button reading and digital read pin number, and pin number 7 is our push button. I used to this line for reading push button. And next you can see void loop, and I already told void loop and continuous running, and you can see in this 19 step, this current button state equals to previous button state, and current button state reading in void setup, and you can see this step, and again I read the push button and equals to current button state. Yeah, this is if function, and I created some logic for toggle our LED, and next I explain this if function logic, and you can see I equal to this push button state to low. This is equality operator, and this is an operator, and I check the previous button state equal to low, and current button state equal to high. If two logic are true when come into the if function, this is LED state. This highlighted mean is LED state low, and I use exclamation mark, and this mean is negative mean. This is LED state is low. I use this LED state with exclamation mark. This mean is negative mean. Negative mean is this is low, and it is convert to high, and it is equal to LED state. Now LED state is high. This line for our LED turn on or turn off step. This 8 pin is LED pin, you already know it, and this LED state have high state, and this LED state assigned to this function in, and also digital write 8 pin high. High mean is LED turn on. This is for the LED turn on, and next I explain when I press the push button, and next turn off how to it is work. This time current button state have 1, and it is equal to previous button state, and this time previous button state have high, and when go to the if function, and this time previous button have high, and it is not equal to low, because this if condition is not working this time. And next step is, and now current button state have low. It is reason previous loop working time when we are the not pressing push button, and this push button have low state. Now I explain the next loop step, and next working of the loop step, and this current button state have low equals to previous button state, and this previous button state is low. It is okay, and check the next step, and when we the press push button, and it is this current button state go to high, and this current button state also equal to high, and again come into the if condition. Now already you know LED state is high. This means LED state is high, and I already tell you this explanation mark with this LED state mean negative, and high to convert low, and equals to LED state. Next step is you already know what is the this step, and 8 pin this time have this LED state is low, and this time this LED state is low, and LED goes to off. This is for the toggle of the LED step code. Yes, now I am going to simulate this circuit. Start simulation. Yes, it is code is working. Now I press the push button. Yes, you can see light is on, and now I again press push button, and you can see LED is turned off. I push the press button, LED is turned on. Again I press the push button, LED is turned off. Okay, thank you. We will meet again a new lesson. And also I want to tell you, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video for your friends and turn on the bell button. You can get my latest upload video. Okay, thank you.